Hello, fellow engineering enthusiasts. This is Richard Dean. Come and follow me as we dive deep into the fascinating world of civil engineering, one beam at a time. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone passing by, then you are in the right place. Dahil dito, itatalakay natin ang mga iba't ibang pundasyon at haligi sa larangan ng civil engineering, simula sa mga kahoy at semento hanggang sa mga bakal, graba o bato. We cover it all. Pag-uusapan natin lahat ng yan. By the way, my name is Richard Dean P. Viñalon. Richard Dean for short. Binawasan ko lang kasi feeling ko mas cool pakinggan at pang celebrity ang dating.
Wow.
Kidding aside, I'm an incoming third year civil engineering student studying in Bohol Island State University. Expect tutorials, project spotlights, and even maybe some fun experiments. We'll explore the latest innovation, discuss sustainable practices, and unravel the mysteries behind the world's most iconic structures. Lastly, I would like to end this video with a piece of advice for those civil engineering students who are currently struggling. Stay focused, follow your dreams, and keep moving towards your goal. Remember, consistency is the key for a successful civil engineering student. Never let your obstacle hinder you. Instead, use it as a stepping stone towards it.